Hi, I'm Lorraine Brock with Get Organized, and are you ready to get organized? We're a professional organizing service here in the DFW, East Texas Tyler area, and Oklahoma City. We specialize in organizing everything, whether it's a garage, a kitchen, a cluttered office, or even helping you with your time management. Our organizers are excellent at maximizing space and helping you decide on where things might go in the home based on how your family functions. We've been in business almost 11 years, opened in 2007, and we are excited to help you get organized. Even those complete packing and unpacking jobs where you don't have time to unpack and find your items, we can get your home completely set up. If you're a senior and have family out of state or even locally, we can help you downsize and take some of that burden and pressure off of extended family members. Our organizers, when they're organizing our clients' homes, often find products that they need to help maximize space. Don't worry, they can do the shopping for you if you don't have time. We know what to get and what stores to find things at. The organizers are excellent at going through and setting up systems for paper clutter and just decluttering your life. After an organizer has decluttered and organized your home, we often come back and help maintain those homes, making sure they stay organized. Get Organized looks forward to getting your home, your business, and your life completely organized.